Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem. And so when the problem was provided, it did not provide the data to back up what the question was, and there also was not a link. But I'm going to show you how to do this on your own using a sample of 30 numbers from similar data. So the first thing that you need to do is, in order to find the confidence interval of 90%, and a standard deviation of 9.5, okay, you need to calculate what the sample mean is to 2 decimal places. So how you do that in Excel is you hit the equal sign, and then you type in A, V, and average will come up. You click on average, and then you're going to highlight all of the numbers that you want to find the mean of. And then I'm just going to close my parenthesis and hit enter. And then I'm going to move this to 2 decimal places. And so for formula, I'm going to type in average, and then it's going to be the range of A1 to A30. Okay. And so the sample size, so it's 42.15. And the sample size is 30. And to calculate your significance, your significance level, that's your alpha. What you're going to do is you're going to do equals 1 minus this confidence interval of 0.9, and then hit enter. So you're going to do 1 minus 0.9, and that equals 0.1. And to calculate your margin of error, you're going to have to calculate what your t-score is. So to calculate your t-score, you have to look at your t-chart, and you also have to calculate your probability. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 minus, you have to hit the equal sign, then 1 minus your, and then a parenthesis, that 0.1 divided by 2, and then close your parenthesis and hit enter. So it's 0.95. So to get your t-score, you're going to do t 0.95, or t 0.95, and then in the parenthesis, your degree of freedom of 29, okay? And that is going to be a 1.6991 on the t-chart, if you look at your t-chart. So you're going to use, I'm just going to merge this. So you're going to use this number to calculate, that's your t-score, to calculate your margin of error. So you're going to do equals 1.6991 times your standard deviation of 9.5 divided by your square root. So all you have to do is start typing S and then square root of your sample size of 30, and then close your parentheses. You have to do 2 parentheses. So that's going to be your t-score times your standard deviation, I'm just going to put SD, divided by the square root of your sample size of 30. Okay? And so to 2 decimal places. So then for your lower limit, you are going to take your mean, and you're going to subtract your margin of error. And then to get your upper limit, you're going to take your mean and you're going to add your margin of error. So for your lower limit, you're going to mean minus your margin of error. And then it's your mean plus your margin of error. So I hope that this video helps to show you how to do this type of a problem. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.